Now we are going to discuss about the constant polynomial. You people know about constant polynomial. It is one type of polynomial. The degree of this constant polynomial is 0. Polynomial is 0. Most of the people are very much confused about this. Let us take one example. Px plus d. Here p is the coefficient and d is the constant term. P is coefficient, D is constant term. Here the degree is 1. The power of x is 1. The degree is nothing but the degree is the highest power of x in any polynomial p of x. Here p of x is any polynomial. The highest power of x. Here x is nothing but the unknown value or the variable. Here p is the coefficient and d is the constant term. And the degree of constant term is always 0. Why? Because, for example, 5. What is the degree of this? The degree is 0. Why? Because 5 can be written into 5 into 1. 5 into 1 is equal to 5 into x power 0. And we all know that the power of, if the power of x is equal to 0, then the value will become 1. Here we are replacing the 1 by x power 0. Hence 5 is equal to x into x power 0. Then 5x power 0. Hence the degree of 5 is 0. The degree of this x power is 0. Hence the degree is 0. But we cannot write that 3x plus 5. Here the degree is 1. The degree is 1. But we cannot write 3x plus 5 power 0. Anything that x a power 0 is equal 1. Hence 3x plus 5 power 0 will become 3x plus 1. But we cannot write this as 5 power 0. We are only placing the 0 as power 2 only for the x. But we cannot add this as 5 power 0. Hence the degree of constant polynomial is 0. But this will not happen in the sense of 0. the sense of 0 as a polynomial. Zero, but the degree of 0 is undefined. Zero's degree is undefined. Except the 0, this will happen, and this will be possible for any constant value except the 0. If you include the 0 in this, then the value is another for it, and it is called as 0 polynomial, but it is not constant. The degree of 0 is undefined. Why undefined? If you wanted to know like this, then I will be posting another video in this channel. So subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.